Hebei Baiyun Daily Chemical Company Limited, founded in 2005, is a specialized soap and detergent manufacturer. It covers an area of 30,000 square meters and a building area of 13,200 square meters. Now, our company has 200 employees, including 3 external senior engineers and 30 technical professionals. It is equipped with 6 production lines, which annually yield 20,000 tons of transparent soaps and 7,000 tons of premium soaps. In the past several years, we have researched, developed, and produced lots of super quality products by obtaining super quality raw materials and advanced technologies, such as Jingzhou, Reibai, Reichi, those premium transparent soaps, crystal soaps, toilet soaps, and extra strong series laundry soaps made by using excellent technologies, sophisticated facilities, and super quality raw materials and advanced formulations are featured by clean appearance, long-lasting aroma, rich foam, powerful detergency, sterilization, skincare. We adhere to the policy of high quality, low price, low profit, which makes our products very competitive in the market and sell well across world market. Our company is focused on system management standardization, improved a more flexible operation system, strengthened quality awareness, and developed new products internally by virtue of scientific, sought for inter-industry partners across the country for joint production and marketing, complemented each other, broadened the market, achieving synchronous development of production and marketing. Since establishment, our company adheres to tenet of moral team, quality products, and brand service. We welcome all customers to visit and cooperate.